So welcome back dear students. Today we will discuss about measures of central tendency. Here we will discuss about introduction of central tendency and their types and their objectives. So what is measures of central tendency? In statistics, the central tendency is the descriptive summary of data set. Though the single value from the data set, it reflects the center of the data distribution. Moreover, it does not provide information regarding individual data from the data set, where it gives a summary for the data set. Generally, the central tendency of a data set can be defined using some of the measures in statistics. Generally, it is divided into three parts, that is mean, median and mode. The mean. The mean represents the average value of the data set. It can be calculated as sum of the values in the data set divided by the number of values. In general, it is considered as the arithmetic mean and it is represented by x bar. Some other measures of mean used to find the central tendency are as follows: the geometric mean, the harmonic mean and weighted mean. It is observed that all the values in the data set are the same. Then all the geometric, arithmetic and harmonic values are the same. If there is variability in the data, the mean value differs. The arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean represents a number that is obtained by dividing the sum of the elements of a set by the number of values in the set. So you can use the layman term average. If any data set consisting of the values like B1, B2, B3, so arithmetic mean of the B will be sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. So here 10 innings are given and their runs are given. So we will sum up the run of all the runs and it will be divided by 10. So sum of run scored by the Virat Kohli is 661 and it is divided by 10. So the arithmetic mean of his scores in the last 10 innings is 66.1. Now the harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is a progression, is a sequence if the reciprocal of its terms are in the arithmetic progression. And harmonic mean can be calculated by dividing the numbers of terms by reciprocal of its terms. In further units, we will study the arithmetic mean in more details. We are studying the harmonic mean and geometric mean for the general understanding. The geometric mean is the average value or mean which signifies the central tendency of the set of numbers by finding the product of their values. Basically, we multiply the numbers all together and take out the nth root of the multiplied numbers where n is the total number of values. Now the median. Median is the middle value of the data set, which is the data set is arranged in ascending or descending order. When the data set contains an even number of values, then the median value of data set can be found by taking the mean of the middle two values. If you have skewed distribution, the best measurement of finding the central tendency is the median. So on your extreme right corner, you can see the median of odd numbers and median of even numbers. I hope you are getting it. The median of odd number is 12 and the median of even number is 27 and 29. Then in this case we will take the average of 27 and 29. So it will be 28. The median is less sensitive to outliers than the mean and thus a better measure than the mean for a highly skewed distribution. Mode. The mode represents the frequently occurring value in the data set. For example, in the right side corner you can see that 5 is repeating 3 times. So the most fashionable value is 5. So mode is what? The most fashionable value which occurs again and again. Sometimes the data set may contain multiple modes and in some cases it does not contain any mode at all. If you have categorical data, the mode is the best choice to find the central tendency. Now the objectives of average are: it is the most important objective of averaging is to calculate and measuring the data to determine a single figure of whole series. The average describes the characteristics of the entire group. Averages are helpful for taking an overview of a statistical data which ordinarily cannot be understood. Averages facilitates comparison between one group and another. Thank you.